Ministers have signed off on pay rises for CEOs at another 3 commercial semi-state organisations. Approval has been given for a 30,000 increase to the salary of the CEO of the Port of Waterford, David Sinnott. A similar pay rise will push up the CEO of Dublin Port Company, Barry O'Connell's yearly salary. In addition, the salary of the CEO of Shannon Airport Group is set to rise, as reported by Anne-Marie Walsh. The latest increases come after pay hikes were approved for CEOs at numerous semi-state bodies. They include a 100,000 pay rise for the CEO of Uisce Éireann, Niall Gleeson. Pay hikes have been sanctioned for CEOs at Dublin Bus, CIE, Bus Éireann, the Irish National Stud, Gas Networks Ireland and Éireann Road Éireann. The board of RTE has also sought an increase for its Director General, Kevin Backhurst, that may potentially bring his salary to 300,000. Sinn Féin TD Louisa Riley criticised the pay rises. Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael will always show up for those at the top, while ordinary working people are taken for granted, she said. Last month, Sinn Féin leader Mary Lou MacDonald accused the government of being tone deaf in relation to the pay rises. Meanwhile, Taoiseach Micheál Martin defended the salaries and said that they were set by an independent body. He also said that the pay hikes reflect recruitment challenges and the need to retain talent in key roles. The Senior Posts Remuneration Committee provides salary band recommendations and released a report in March 2025. This effectively abolished a 250,000 pay cap on CEO appointments that was rolled out during the financial crisis. Additionally, politicians' pay rose by 1% on the 1st of February due to the latest pay rise under a public sector wage agreement. A TD salary is now 118,000, while a senator earns over €80,000 a year. A further 1% pay rise is due on the 1st of June. For more on this story, you can read the Irish Independent.